Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming permissions. You need sysadmin or equivalent. Once confirmed, open SQL Server Management Studio or SQL CMD and target the correct instance. Double-check the database name. Next, take a quick backup or export critical tables. Make sure you can restore if needed. Then set the database to single user with rollback immediate to drop active connections. This forces sessions off, which prevents blocking during the drop. Be precise with names to avoid accidental deletions. Now you execute the main commands. First, run alter database your DB set single user with rollback immediate. This clears connections. Then run drop database your DB and watch for success messages. If you prefer TSQL, include semicolons for clarity. After the drop, query sys databases to confirm it's gone and inspect the MDF/LDF files on disk. Occasionally, files remain and need manual deletion. Make sure to switch context away from the dropped DB before dropping, otherwise commands will fail. Finish by verifying the instance is clean. Remove leftover files only after confirming you no longer need them, and stop SQL Server if the OS blocks deletion. If drop database fails, check for lingering sessions in sys. DM exec sessions or sys. Sys processes and kill them. Sometimes a SQL agent job or linked server holds a connection. If you drop the wrong database, restore immediately from your back time matters because subsequent writes complicate recovery. One key tip: always verify the database name.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.